Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to create LinkedIn account. So if you also want to create LinkedIn account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So LinkedIn is a social networking platform primarily used for professional networking and career development. It allows the users to connect with others, find jobs and stay informed about industry trends. So if you also want to create LinkedIn account, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in linkedin.com, press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of LinkedIn. You'll be able to sign into your account, or you can also create the account from here. If you already have the account, simply go ahead and sign into your account. But if you want to sign up for your account, what you have to do is click on the join now option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, what you have to do is enter your email and set up a password for yourself. You can also continue with Google and continue with Microsoft if you want. So simply go ahead with the option that suits you the best. If you want to go ahead with email, what you have to do is click on the field of email. Now over here, what you have to do is enter your email address. Make sure to enter the valid email address. After that, what you have to do is create a password for yourself. So simply click on the field of password. Now simply create the password for yourself. If you want to check your password, click on the option show. After that, you'll be able to check your password. Now after that, what you have to do is click on the option agree and join that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to enter your first name and last name. So first of all, click on the field of first name, enter your first name over here. Likewise, enter your last name. Now click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to select your location. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for location. So simply click on that field. Now after that, enter your location and select your location. Now after selecting the location, click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is enter your most recent job title. Simply click on this field. Now enter your most recent job title over here. You can also select the employment type. Simply click on the field of employment type. Now select the employment type over here. Also, you'll have to enter the most recent company. Instead of that, if you're a student, you can also click on the option I'm a student. Now after entering all the information, what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to confirm the email. The code will be sent to your email address. So what you have to do is open email. Simply go to new tab, click on the search bar, type in gmail.com, press enter. You can see over here, Gmail has been opened. LinkedIn has sent me the email. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to see the code over here. Memorize this code. Go back to the LinkedIn tab. Now what you have to do is enter that code over here. Now you'll have to answer a few questions. The first question is, are you looking for a job? Simply click on the option of your choice. Click on the next option. Now you'll have to answer this question. What kind of job are you looking for? Simply enter the job title. Now enter the job location. If you're open to remote work, simply check on this box, I'm open to remote work. Now click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to choose if you want to get notified when new jobs are posted. If you want to get notified, simply toggle on this button. If you do not want to get notified, simply toggle off this button. After that, click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure to read these informations very carefully. Adjust the option according to your choice. After that, click on the next option. You can also connect with people if you want. If you do not want to do it right now, simply click on the option skip for now. Now you can see over here your LinkedIn account has been created. So like this, you'll be able to create your LinkedIn account. So that is how you create LinkedIn account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.